You all are doing well, and I hope you all are fine at home. So, okay, student. So, I am a maths teacher, and I welcome you all in a maths online class. So, first of all, take out your maths book, okay, and check out your pencil, eraser, and sharpener with yourself, okay. So, student, I have completed up to chapter geometry, shapes, okay, unit 4, that is shape, okay. The shape chapter I have completed yesterday in previous class, isn't it? Previous class में मैंने वो complete करा दिया था, okay. Now see here, on page number 66, assessment test 1 is there, okay. See, assessment test 1, okay. Assessment test 1 is there on page number 66, okay, page number 66. So check out page number 66, student. Now see here what the in question number 1, sort out the following things and rewrite in the correct group, okay. So there are saucer, cat, toaster, giraffe, beer, cup, lion, peas, mango, melon, strawberry, pomegranate, potato, pumpkin, carrot, and after that is spoon, okay. So you have to sort out and rewrite in the correct group. So group is there, number 1, group is there A, okay. Animal is written, animals, okay. Animal लिखा है और like this line is drawn, okay. Line is drawn like this, animal. Page number 66 is there. And number B, what is written there? Fruits. Then one line is drawn. Number C, vegetables. Then again one line is drawn. Number D, kitchen. Equipment. Equipments, okay. Then again line is drawn, okay. So student, first so many see here things are there given on this page, okay. और आपको इसमें से शॉर्ट आउट करना है, मीन्स इसमें से आपको उसको छाट कर, ओके, उसको लिखना है कौन से एनिमल्स हैं, कौन सा इसमें फ्रूट्स है, कौन वेजिटेबल है, एंड विच वन इज किचन इक्विपमेंट, ओके. सो लेट्स सी एनिमल इन वन ग्रुप. सॉसर इज देयर. सॉसर जो होता है वो आप कहाँ देखते हैं? इन किचन. सॉसर जो होता है वो आप कहाँ देखते हो? किचन में. सो सॉसर इज इन किचन, तो आप इसको किचन में लिखिए सॉसर. नाउ नंबर नेक्स्ट इज कैट. उसके बाद क्या है? कैट. सो कैट इज अ एनिमल. कैट इज एन एनिमल. सो कैट इज अ एनिमल. देन toaster is there. So toaster also you see in a kitchen. Then giraffe. Giraffe is an animal. Giraffe is also an animal. Now bear. Bear is also an animal. Cup you see in the kitchen, okay. Lion is also animal. Peas जो होते हैं, peas are vegetable. Peas are vegetable. Then mango. Mango is a fruit. Okay, mango is a fruit. Melon. Melon is also fruit. Okay. Strawberry. 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 Fruit. Pomegranate. Granate. Fruit. Okay. Potato. Potato is vegetable. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. Vegetable. Carrot. Vegetable. Then spoon. Spoon you see where? In the kitchen. आप kitchen में देखते हैं spoon को. So these are the things which I have sorted out. Okay. Animals में क्या है? Cat, giraffe, bear, lion. Okay. These are animals. Now fruits. Mango, melon, strawberry, pomegranate. These are fruits. Okay. Now vegetable. Peas, potato, pumpkin and carrot. These are vegetables. Okay. Now next in kitchen equipment mein saucer. Saucer you see in the kitchen. Toaster. Toaster is also we keep in the kitchen. Cup in the kitchen. And spoon also you see inside the kitchen. Okay. So these are the things which I have sorted out. So write down in your book. Okay. Write down, student. I am giving you the time. So written everyone? You all have done? Okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 2. Okay. Come to question number 2. Now, in question number 2, which is more? Okay, which is more? Question number 2, which is more? Okay, which is more? नंबर ए. नाउ ए साइड में आपका लॉक बना हुआ है स्टूडेंट. कैन यू सी हियर? लॉक इज मेड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. ओके, इस साइड लॉक बना है और वो कितना है? 9. ओके, एंड नेक्स्ट साइड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 कीज है. लॉक्स कितने हैं? 9. ओके, एंड देन keys are 8. So which one is more, 9 or 8? Tell me. 9. So you have to put a tick. Okay, you have to put a tick. Okay, now number B. One side is butterfly, BUTTERFLIES, butterflies. Okay, and next side is flowers. Okay, so let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 11 butterfly this side, and flowers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 flowers. Okay, so which side more? This side. Okay, butterflies are more, so I have put the tick here. Okay, so like this only you have to do. Put a tick on question number 2. Okay, done. Done. Now come to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. Put right numerals in the box. Put right numerals in the box. Okay, so number A. Number A is 1 more than 9. 1 more than 9 is, tell me student, 1 more than 9 is 10. Okay, 1 more than 9 is 10. 1 more than 9 is 10. Good. Number B. 2 more than 17 is 17 plus 2. आपको 17 and plus 2 करना है. So what will come? 19. 2 more than 17 is 19. Okay. Number C. 3 less than 8 is, अब 8 में से आप 3 लेस करेंगे, आप 8 में से 3 लेस करेंगे, so what will come? 5 will come. Okay, आप 8 में से 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, and you have to cut 3, लेस करना है. 1 2 3. So 1 2 3 4 5. 5 is there, so answer is 5. Okay. Number D. 5 is 2 less than 5 is 2 less than. आप 2 कितने में लेस करेंगे कि आंसर 5 आएगा? 7. 7 में जब आप 2 लेस करेंगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा आपका? 5. ओके, 5 is 2 less than 7. ओके, E. 1 more than 5. more than 5 is 6. So write down from the whiteboard, giving you the time. One more than 9 is 10. 2 more than 17 is 19. 3 less than 8 is 5. 5 is 2 less than 7. अगर 2 less than 7 करेंगे तो आंसर आपका 5 आएगा. Now 1 more than 5. 1 more than 5 is 6. Okay, 1 more than 5 is 6. One more than 5 is 6. Done, student? So up to question number 3 I have explained you. Okay, question number 3 तक मैंने बता दिया. Now in the next class I will explain from question number 4 to question number 10. Okay, question number 4 से question number 10 मैं next class में आपको बता दूंगी. And after that I will start the revision work. Okay, I will start the revision work from 1st September. Okay, आपका revision work 1st September से start होगा. And in your unit test 1 आने वाला है. So chapter unit 1 to 4 will come. Okay, आपका unit test 1 आने वाला है आपका. ठीक है, जिसमें आपका चैप्टर 1 से लेकर 4 तक आएगा. ओके, अप टू पेज नंबर 68 मीन्स अप टू पेज 68. पेज नंबर 68 तक के जितने भी आपके बुक्स में दिए हैं दैट विल कम इन योर यूनिट टेस्ट. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो please do the revision work, please do the previous work. Okay, and also whatever I am teaching, okay, you write down the date just like 29 August 2020. Okay student, and please stay indoors, be safe, be happy. Okay, and stay connected. Bye.